The Amazon rainforest, also known as the Amazonia or Amazon jungle, is a vast tropical rainforest located in South America. The Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest in the world, covering approximately 5.5 million square kilometers to 1 million square miles.
It spans across 9 countries: Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana.
The Amazon rainforest is one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. It is home to millions of species, including more than 400 species of mammals, 1,300 species of birds, 3,000 species of fish, and an estimated 40,000 plant species. Many of these species are unique to the Amazon region and cannot be found anywhere else. The Amazon rainforest is inhabited by numerous indigenous communities who have lived there for thousands of years. These indigenous peoples have a deep cultural connection with the forest and rely on its resources for their survival. The Amazon rainforest has significant economic importance, providing livelihoods for millions of people. The Amazon rainforest plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. Amazon acts as a carbon sink, absorbing and storing large amounts of carbon dioxide, which helps mitigate global warming and climate change. It is often referred to as the lungs of the earth because it produces about 20% of the world's oxygen. The Amazon rainforest is facing significant threats from deforestation, primarily due to activities such as agriculture, logging, mining, and infrastructure development. Deforestation in the Amazon has serious environmental consequences, including habitat loss, species extinction, and increased greenhouse gas emissions. The Amazon rainforest is traversed by the Amazon River and its tributaries, which form the largest river system in the world. Amazon River, the greatest river of South America, and the largest drainage system in the world in terms of the volume of its flow and the area of its basin. The total length of the river as measured from the headwaters of the Ucayali-Apure-Mac River system in southern Peru is at least 4,000 miles 6,400 km, which makes it slightly shorter than the Nile River, but still the equivalent of the distance from New York City to Rome. Its westernmost source is high in the Andes Mountains, within 100 miles 160 km of the Pacific Ocean, and its mouth is in the Atlantic Ocean, on the northeastern coast of Brazil. The Amazon River carries more water than any other river and plays a vital role in the region's ecosystem, providing water, transportation, and resources for local communities. The Amazon rainforest is a rich source of traditional medicine. Indigenous communities have long relied on the forest's plants and herbs for medicinal purposes. Many modern medicines have been derived from plant compounds found in the Amazon, contributing to global pharmaceutical research. The rare plants of the Amazon not only create a unique natural environment, but have been used by ancient civilizations and are still being used today for their powerful medicinal properties. The Amazon rainforest is home to several endangered species, including the Amazonian manatee, black caiman, giant otter. Various species of primates, such as the golden lion, tamarin, and the black-faced spider monkey. Conservation efforts are essential to protect these species and their habitats. Various organizations, governments, and indigenous communities are actively working to protect and conserve the Amazon rainforest. Initiatives include the creation of protected areas, sustainable management practices, and raising awareness about the importance of the rainforest for global ecological balance. It's important to note that the Amazon rainforest is a complex and dynamic ecosystem, with many more fascinating facts and aspects beyond what is listed here.